Today the class of electrostatics, in which we study about electric charge, Coulomb's law. Now today I am going to discuss about unit charge, that is एकांक आवेश. This topic, unit charge, is said to be as when in the vacuum of distance two equal and similar charges are work due to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton repulsive force, then each of them is said to be unit charge. जब निर्वात वैक्यूम, जब निर्वात में 1 मीटर की दूरी पर रहकर दो आवेश जो समान और बराबर हो के बीच यदि 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9 न्यूटन का प्रतिकर्षण बल कार्य करता है, तो उनमें से प्रत्येक चार्ज को हम एकांक आवेश कह सकते हैं. कंसीडर here A and B, the 2 points on which Q1 and Q2 both are the similar charges, are situated between the both charges. F force is acting, which value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton, that can be established. We have now we are going to establish F equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton due to unit charge एकांक आवेश. Consider in vacuum acting force between two charges Q1 and Q2 which are equal and similar charges. So according to Coulomb's law, as you know, Coulomb's law is said to be an electric force. We know that F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q2 upon R square. This is the Coulomb's law. As you study in the previous online classes, you have re-study about your notebook and the video on YouTube. We have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught equal to, इस वैल्यू को आप कूलॉम्स लॉ में देखे होंगे कि हम k बराबर 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught लिखे थे. वही वैल्यू है जिसे हम यहाँ पर आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं कि 1/4 पाई इंटू 1/4 पाई और 1/ε0. That value is, as you study in the class of coulombs, 10 to the power minus 12. 10 to the power minus 12, which is equal to this value when we divide 1/8.4 and 10 to the power minus 12, then we get 1/4 pi epsilon naught equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9n. This value we have to obtain after the expression. So f equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 1/r square, because here is the given, and in the definition and statement of unit charge, when we put two charges at a distance of 1 meter, then an acting repulsive force between them is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter per second square. So we have come to here Q1 equal to Q2 equal to, if 1, दोनों चार्ज समान हैं and r equal to 1 meter, then here is the conclusion. Hence f equal to hence f equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 9. 10 to the power minus 9 10 to the power 9 into 1 by r square, that is 1 meter square, or f equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton here we have to declare that 9 into itna 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9 n, that is the force that acting between the two charges which is separated by 1 meter, that is the unit charge. According to unit charge कहता है कि जब निर्वात में 1 मीटर की दूरी पर दो समान और बराबर आवेशों को 9 into 10 to the power 9 10 to the power 9 प्रतिकर्षण बल कार्य करता है, तो उनमें से प्रत्येक आवेश को एकांक आवेश कहते हैं. इन द वैक्यूम द डिस्टेंस ऑफ टू इक्वल एंड सिमिलर चार्जेस आर वर्कड ड्यू टू 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton repulsive force, then each of them the charges is called unit charge. That is the expression.